I'm Neil Ferry from Quality Vacuum Products. Today we're going to be installing the vacuum connector assembly into your bag. This is the VCA6W. This is to be used when you are not going to be using a baseboard in the bag, typically when you're doing vent lamination work. You can see that there are 2 metal washers and 2 rubber washers, and the bag is going to get sandwiched in between the 2 of them. So what we're going to do is slide a board inside the bag to where you're going to want to place the connector. Typically doing this, you want the connector close to the open end of the bag because you always want to make sure that the netting material that you're going to be using as a bleeder is going to hit up against that connector. And so if you have a long bag, you don't want to have, and you're going to be doing a short piece, you don't have to try to slide that piece all the way to the end of the bag. So we typically put them around 6 inches in from the open end. So you slide a board inside the bag, and you're going to use a 3/4 inch hole punch. There'll be a list of all the materials in the comments below that you'll need. Just put the hole punch down. Now that we have our hole in the bag, we want to install the connector. You take the connector, take one metal washer, put it on, take a rubber washer, put it on, and then slide it into the bag, go right through the hole, and then push the bag down around it. Then on the outside of the bag, we're going to put a rubber washer, a metal washer, the lock washer, and our nut. On the inside of the bag, you take a 1-inch wrench, on the outside of the bag, for this washer, it's at a 1/8 inch nut. And just tighten it up. And you don't need to go too tight. You just want to start seeing the material start to slowly move. You don't want to actually rip the bag. So just snug. You can see that it's starting to bend, and that's good. Perfect. Thank you for watching this video. This is for a bag without a baseboard. If you're going to be putting a baseboard in the bag, please check on our videos for installing a VCA6 with a baseboard. Thank you.